I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies with pancake mix. First, gather your ingredients: pancake mix, softened butter, granulated sugar, 1 egg, and a splash of vanilla extract. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for easier mixing. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick treat. Now it's time to combine everything. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in the egg and vanilla extract. Gradually add the pancake mix, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cookies tough. Just mix until everything is well incorporated. Once your dough is ready, wrap it in plastic and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for easy handling. After chilling, lightly flour your work surface and roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cool, get creative with frosting and sprinkles. For more great deals and to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to an amazing robot vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.